Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So I'm there with another video. Friends, I made a inventory management format and I call it inventory management Y1. Y1 because you can use this format for 1 year continuously, and after that also you can make a copy of this format and continue use it for lifetime. So I'll show you how does this format works. This is simple Excel based format, so you can use it online also, like you can keep it on Google Drive or cloud anywhere, and you can share it with multiple peoples. As well as you can use this format on your smartphone if you are enough good in Excel. So this page is fully automatic, nothing you have to do. So there we have the monthly basis consumption report. This is the graph box, and below item consumption report. So this will be the item based consumption report will show for each and every item on monthly basis, like like the onion on June, what is the consumption, and end of the year what is the total consumption of onions or each and every items. Second, we have item master. This is the main page where you have to add the data. So here we have material name or item name, category, brand, size, or trigger value. Serial number will be automatically update because as you can see I have already add some formula. So you can use this format for multi-purpose. Maybe you have restaurants or cafe, or maybe you are running a mobile shop, clothes shops, any kind of shops or business. You can use this format because as you can see, first I have add here onion, category is vegetable, brand is local. Vegetables has no size, so no need to mention, and the trigger level, that means what is the minimum quantity you have to be there, or this is the reminder of your minimum level. Here in number phone, as you can see, I have add on item called JKS1, is the category is t-shirt, brand is jockey, size is medium, and trigger value, that means minimum stock reminder is 5. So I keep here total 1 2 3 4 5 items of jockey t-shirts, and different t-shirt has different name and different sizes, so you can use it for clothes shop also. Even I keep at number 3 Mi Note 5 Pro. It's a mobile category is phone, brand is Mi, there is no size, and trigger level is 5. So that's how you have to add the item details. That's all. Right side, this data will be fully automatic. As you can see, I have already mentioned inventory data fully automatic. When you done this place, then we have the month's name like January, February, March till December. So every sheet has same format. So first there we have the company name, so you have to change the company name in January month, whatever the company name you have, and rest of the sheets the company name will be changed automatically. And as you can see, all the item name that I have saved here in item master, all the name will be automatically added in every sheet till December. So this format is 80-90% fully automatic, and the 8 20 or 10% the things that you have to do manually is you have to add the quantity of the ingredients that can be in or out. That's all. So I'll show you how we have to do it. So first we are in January month, and I'll show you. For example, onion we have received like 10 kgs and out is 5 kg. So I have simply added. As you can see, the running balance is 5 now because we have received onion 10 kgs, but we have sell 5 kgs. Similar way I can add the Mi Note 5 Pro, like we have received 10 and we have sold out or transferred somewhere, like that will be out from our stock. So quantity is 3. You will see the total section is here, and total inward and outward stock also for each item will be fully update at this place, and the balance quantity also you can see from here. So every sheet has same format. And also as you can see, when I select Mi Note 5 Pro, the trigger level is 5. When we have already 7, that means it's not showing order. Rest of the item is showing order because the quantity of or running balance is 0, as I select here or I set here the trigger level 2. So you don't change the trigger level from here, or you don't touch this part of the data, because everywhere there is a formula, or if one single formula will be deleted, this format will stop working. So this is the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and till the end of 31, because we're on January month. So that's how, if we open February, we'll see from 1 to 28. Till here we can enter the data. So till December we have the same format, similar way it will work. And as I already mentioned, this is the simple Excel file, but fully automatic, 80-90% fully automatic. Only you have to add the data in item master, and then you have to enter the amount that is coming inward or outward in your store. So automatically rest of the things will work, and I show you in graph. See, January we have 20 in and 8% or quantity, you can say, like outward going. February there is no entry yet, so in February I'll add some data and I'll show you. February also, let's take some jockey t-shirts like 10, 2, and outward will be 2, and then 2. Now when I come home page, you will see the graph automatically start showing, like 12 is in and 8 pieces, or whatever the count, whatever the store you have, according to that you can use that graph. And below the item consumption report also we can see, like in January month we have onion consumption 5, that can be kg, or if you have clothes shops, then it will be count as pieces. Like 3 pieces of Mi Note 5 Pro is consumption or sale for our, from our store. Below we have the jockey also. So February months jockey has 2 to 4 sales, so it starts showing here also. So that's how this format works. This format is fully automatic, simple to use. And some of the information that I would like to give you again, like when you change the name of the company in month of January, rest of the pages the company name will be changed automatically. Even you have to add the opening a stock manually, like when you purchase this format, maybe you have some already stock, or some items already have in your stock, so you're not going to add them in inward. So instead of that you can use in opening stock, and after that you can enter the data according to the date, in that can be inward or outward, no problem. But in January month only this place you can add the opening stock. If I go to the February, and in February if I click here, you can see there is a formula, so don't edit or delete anything. You see I mark here till red from B to J, so don't edit any of the cell these places, or the formula will stop working. So I show you that the way this format works is really good and really useful for a lot of people. So if you want to download this format, the link will be in description box. Thank you very much for watching this video.